Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of No BS with Brett and Seb. Today's video is going to be focused on garment and promotional printing.
The most common ways clothing is produced today are screen printing, direct-to-garment, vinyl, dye sublimation, and heat transfers. Each of these techniques are really good at something. For example, screen printing is a fast and cost-effective way to produce long runs, but not ideal for shorter run orders.
And direct-to-garment is really good at producing cotton shirts. Dye sub is the best way to print mugs. All these different techniques have their strengths and their place in the market, but they lack versatility.
Yeah, instead of listing off all the good and the bad things about each method, which we can break down in another video, we decided that we would pick a style of printing that we think can bring the most bang for buck in a print shop environment. Whether you're a startup, you're an existing business, whether you're a digital printer, or you're strictly producing garments.
Yeah, and we're going to be doing this in a real life, uncut demonstration of digital transfer printing. We want to show you how easy it is to do digital transfers and why they can be the most versatile way to print and create almost any garment and promotional item you can think of.
Oh yeah, did we mention that you can produce temporary tattoos as well? Full color on any skin tone.
If you're a screen printer, for instance, you can print screens with no chemicals. Imagine, no emulsion.
The equipment used in this video to produce our products is the Pro 9541 from Okidata and Forever Laser Dark completely weedless transfer papers. So the print is coming out right now. What Brett's going to do is just give you guys a quick little breakdown and overview of what's actually on our sheet.
All right, guys, so we've got all three of the job items that we have set up for a hat, for a pillowcase, and for a t-shirt, all laid up on this one sheet. This is going to save us time, money, transfer sheet space when we actually put this all together on the heat press. So I'm just going to press this together, the A sheet with the B sheet adhesive right now.
So what Brett's going to do here is he's going to line up the A sheet, which is our carrier sheet, and the B sheet, which is our adhesive sheet. The adhesive is going to stick to anywhere that we have toner on that carrier sheet, which then will get transferred to the garment. Now, he's lining it up, he's marrying it together, and putting some parchment paper over top so that way we just give a little bit of protection. And
there we go. So this is going to settle for and press together for 1 minute and 45 seconds. And in that time, why don't we show everybody what else we can do besides the three items we're actually pressing today.
Yeah, cool. So let's start with the charcuterie board. This is our little cheese charcuterie board with a fancy little saying on it. If you want to be cheesy, this is the way to go.
Show them the jeans, the denim.
The denim. This is the old Flex Soft on denim. Gives a nice, very vibrant orange. And
we've got leather. It works on leather products because the pressing temperature is so low, 220 degrees Fahrenheit it can be the lowest.
We have a cool little portfolio here actually. So if you see that, it's a little portfolio, but on the front we've got a full color image. Just a nice little touch, I think.
Yep, great. We got Seb's favorite here, baby clothes. He fits into this one real nice. Look at that.
It's easier to find my size, that's why.
We've got mirrors or glass, coasters, other wood products,
napkins,
paper bags, gift bags. Keep in mind, all of this stuff that we just showed you, all of this done, same system that we're working with right now.
One of the reasons I like baby clothes so much is because the logos tend to be smaller so you can gang more up on a sheet.
Very good point.
So one sheet could end up getting you out of this maybe 10 little baby onesies.
Right, absolutely. So we're just about done here on the heat press, another 2 seconds. And then I'm gonna peel the adhesive B sheet from the A sheet, which is a it's a hot peel. So I just give it about 2-3 seconds to get down a few degrees. And then we'll start peeling away.
Peeling smooth as molasses there.
Ain't my first rodeo, buddy.
Well, look at that. It almost looks like he knows what he's doing.
All right. So this is garbage now, not reusable, just goes straight into the recycling. I'm just gonna do a quick cut down. I'm gonna cut each piece away from the transfer sheet so that we can now individually press it. So you get to look at Seb's beautiful face for a couple seconds while I do this.
Yeah, I'm gonna press the pillow. Brett's gonna press the t-shirt and the hat. So I will take
the leaf, of course. You want the
leaf.
I'm slacking over here.
Well, Brett usually does all the hard work, so.
Well, as you can tell, this cut doesn't have to be perfect. We're just trying to cut these pieces out so that we can actually use them.
Yeah.
Oh, very important to note, this is weed free, so nothing that isn't printed gets left behind. There is no residue. There is no picking out little intricate pieces. Very important.
Yeah.
So
you ready? Ready to get our presses going here?
Absolutely. Let's do that.
Okay, so I've got my polyester pillow lined up here around 250 degrees. Where did I put my parchment paper? Oh, that's mine. That's yours.
Yours is under there.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. It was under the whole time.
All right.
Let's line that up a little straight. Yours is going, and I'll get mine going. Let me clean this up a little bit.
Sure thing. So we got our t-shirt down. Actually, we're gonna change the setting here. So we just do a quick change to 30 seconds, which is how long these are each gonna go for. Just line up my hat here. Beautiful.
Not so bad, not so bad. And I am good to let this cool down.
We're good. So once these presses are complete, this one's just about done. We're gonna pop it up, and then we're gonna let it sit and cool for about a minute, because this will be a cool peel. Allows the toner to settle in.
A neat little trick is to use a metal table or a little eraser, but if it's metal, right? Metal cools down, holds, what's the word I'm looking for? Metal is a lot cooler than, like, say, a wooden table or something, so the heat's gonna dissipate a lot quicker if you're using metal to cool down.
Absolutely. Conducts heat and cool
Yeah.
very, very, very well.
If it was science
We're
class,
not scientists,
yeah, if it
as
was
you can
science
tell.
class,
All we can do is press t-shirts and hats here, but
we
we're
know-
doing our best.
we know a little bit about labels too.
What I did want to mention to you guys while that's cooling down is the idea and the concept of this video is not to show you how great we are. We are pretty amazing, but that's absolutely not it. It's not how quickly you can do this. The concept is that with the same printer, the same transfer sheets, we're not changing inks. We are not pre-treating.
No chemicals for screen printing.
We're not using chemicals. Everything we've done, you have seen live. And what that means is it's extremely versatile. In this crazy world right now, you want to be able to go from printing t-shirts from one day to pressing masks the next. You never know what curveballs you're going to be throwing.
And all you really need to do is know which temperature settings are for which substrate.
Exactly.
And that's pretty much you off to the races.
So there we go. Now we're good to peel. You get a nice little glimpse of Seb's behind there. Normally we charge for that, but today
it's worth it.
Today you get it for free.
I'm gonna peel up here just to give you a little bit more room.
So we're gonna do one more quick thing before we are actually complete. And this is just the sealing press. What it does is it'll push the toner into the shirt, it'll cure it, and it makes it much, much more durable. And speaking of durability, it's a common question we get is how durable are these? It's a digital transfer after all, and commonly they're not very durable. 40 washes you'll get out of these. So
it's an industry standard.
It's an industry standard. It competes with the best of them. And we are good there. So that's done. We'll just do a seal here.
And there you have it.
That shirt is good to go. Look at that beauty. So obviously we're missing the pillow, but it is a zip.
We could put it in.
We'll get it in there. It is a zip, so you just unzip that and pop it in, and now you've got a Toronto Maple Leaf pillow. Sorry about the hockey season this year, guys, but this is the next best thing.
Yeah, just a note, you wouldn't want to press it with the pillow in there because it's easier to get a transfer with a flat surface.
So, what do we have? We got a t-shirt, we got a hat, and we got a pillowcase. There you have it.
No BS. So, this has been another episode of No BS with Brett and Seb. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below.
That's a great spot for them.
And let us know your thoughts. Let us know what you think of the system. And send us an email. Comments drive the series. We love hearing from you guys.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for watching. This has been great.
See you soon. Hey guys, we just wanted to leave a quick note here. You might have noticed the cool swag that we've got going on throughout our video. And it's available for purchase on our website.
But there's a catch. Our community's been so good with us over the last few months that we wanted to be able to give back as well. So what we're doing is that 100% of the profits from the sale of any shirt or hat will go directly to a great local organization called Feed It Forward. And they provide fresh meals to underprivileged families and homeless. And it's a great organization that we work with. So help us out, buy a shirt, buy a hat at the link below, and do the best that we can.
Yeah, how it's going to work is just go down. There'll be a page where you can set up an order. And every time that you guys buy a shirt, send us a picture wearing your No BS swag. When we receive that, we will match the donation with an extra $10.
Great. Let's do it.